The most striking feature of this kettle from SMEG is the stunning design. This one is white, but you can get it in many other colors as well. And what they're going for here is that beautiful 50s retro aesthetic. I think this looks amazing. This specific model has variable temperature settings, which you can control with the lever on the right-hand side here. And different water temperatures are suitable for different beverages. For example, you should use the lower end of the scale for herbal tea, whereas for coffee and for black tea, you should use the higher end of the temperature scale. Another distinguishing feature of this kettle and all the other SMEG devices too is the high quality. This looks and feels high quality when you use it. If you are looking for a beautiful, multifunctional and high quality kettle, definitely get this one from SMEG. The price is usually around $250 and I have a link to it in the description below the video. Another beautiful appliance from SMEG is this toaster. Click or tap the screen right here to watch my full video about the toaster. Thank you very much for watching.